This is the first junk journal that I've ever made out of a book. And how I did it was I sewed the signatures together and then sewed it into this, and then glued this into the book. And I added some charms and a bookmark. And I'm going to start it on my birthday this year until my birthday next year. I just have a little intro page and my reading goals for the year and my emotion chart, and then the rest is just random places to write and doodle or whatever I feel like doing for the day. But my goal is to do something in it every day for a year, because it's my last year in my 20s, so I thought I'd do something fun. I haven't done any decorating. I just added pockets and flip outs. I made little clips. This was done with acrylic paint and bubble wrap. It was really fun. This is scrap from projects I've done with my Cricut. This is some watercolor paper. This is just covering up my address. Another little clip. I thought that would be a cool pocket. I really love this artwork. I'm not sure what it's from. white paper. Polar bears are my favorite, so I had to add them in there. That's how I bound it. More just plain white paper. Another polar bear. Another clip I made out of an old pin. Clear sleeve. More grouping of white paper. I love this page from a magazine. A clear sleeve. Another clip I made. I love this artwork too. It's my old address, so it doesn't matter. And that's it. I will probably do another flip through when it's all done. Here's what the spine looks like. I covered the title up. And these are just some random charms that I had lying around.